Cougars, parents, and staff, this video is going to be a really short snapshot about how you can access Zoom. I use Zoom for a lot of different things. It happens to be the one platform that is free as long as your meeting doesn't run over a certain amount of time. And right now they have waived all of those requirements due to the mass layoff of students across the country educationally. So I'm going to do zoom.com, or you can do zoom.us. And when you get here, you can click sign in. If you already have an account, which you will, students, if you are signed in through Google. So you can also sign up for an account if you don't have Google. But I'm going to sign in with Google. I'm going to select my school Google account. And if you need, you can download meetings or download the software from here to host meetings. There's also some training and stuff like that. We have several meetings that are going to be scheduled over the course of the next few days. One of the meetings that I'm actually going to show you how to log into is the student support session. You guys will have that link. I'm going to push that out to everyone on Facebook here in just a few minutes. So I'm going to copy this link right here. This will actually be the Zoom link that we will be using for our student meeting. And I'm going to paste it here in this web browser. So whenever you do this, you're going to go ahead and click open zoom.us. Now I have the software downloaded on my computer. You will need to go ahead and download and run the Zoom software. Oh, there I am. I'm here twice. I'm going to join with my computer audio because I don't have any speakers hooked up to it right now. But this is essentially what it looks like. And as people start to log in, you will see them pop up over here, and you will also see them pop up in some of the boxes. The screen for me will get a little bit smaller, and participants will also show up here in these on this screen. So if you have questions about Zoom, let me know. You will have to download the software, like I said, if you don't have it downloaded on your platform already, but I will be available to help, so let me know. All right, good luck.